Hey guys, in this part of video tutorial we will be learning about different structure of protein. As we all know, the primary structure of protein is a linear chain that contain only amino acid and in between them is only peptide bond. When this primary structure attain secondary structure by going through different environmental condition, it form different type of structure according to its function. One of them is alpha helix. The alpha helix can be two types. One is right-handed and one is left-handed. How to recognize the right-handed? If we will go through the right-handed thumb rule, this can be rotation can be like this. Then this will be right-handed alpha helix, and the opposite of it can be left-handed alpha helix. If we will see the right-handed alpha helix inside a mirror, then it will seen as left-handed alpha helix, which indicate that the angle between them is changes their sign, because as we all know, the right-handed alpha helix in the Ramachandran plot has both phi and psi bond as negative, and in the left-handed alpha helix has both phi and psi bond as positive. The 1 ton of alpha helix contain 3.6 amino acid, the 1 ton, and the length of 1 ton is 5.4 Armstrong. So from this data we can calculate, as 3.6 amino acid has 5.4 Armstrong length, then one amino acid has 5.4 divided by 3.6, that can be 1.5 Armstrong length. That is, in the alpha helix, the one amino acid has length of 1.5 Armstrong. From this we can calculate various type of data, like if you have given 15 Armstrong length and the protein is alpha helix, then how many amino acid be there? Then that can be 15 upon 1.5. That is, there will be 10 amino acid. Okay. Again, there is beta sheet. Why they are sheet? The structure is like sheet, and these are of two types. One is parallel and anti-parallel. In the why it is known as parallel? Because we know there is two terminus of every chain. One is carboxylic terminus or C terminus, and another is amino terminus or N terminus. In the parallel, both the terminus lies in the same side. That's why it's known as parallel. And in case of anti-parallel, this is totally opposite. That is, one C terminus is present and one N terminus is present in one side. The difference between them is the parallel beta sheet contain the bent hydrogen bonding. These are the hydrogen H bonds, and these are bent. But in case of anti-parallel, the hydrogen bonds are straight, that is 90 degree to the sheet. If we will see the length of the one amino acid, it is 3.5 Armstrong. Besides this, various another type of secondary structure is there, like beta ton, which are mostly present amino acid are glycine and proline. These are globular and U-shaped. If you will go through the structure of the beta ton, this will be mostly likely this, and there will be 4 to 5 amino acid per ton. Then comes gamma ton. The gamma ton has 3 amino acid, and in between 3 amino acid, as we will know, there will be 3 amino acid. There will be presence of how many? 2 peptide bond, and the H bond will be present between first and third amino acid. Okay, there can become pi ton. In the pi ton, there will be 6 amino acid, and among 6 amino acid there will be 5 peptide bond, and the H bond is present between 1 and 6 amino acid. Then alpha ton. In the alpha ton there will be 5 amino acid, and the Number of peptide bond will be 4, and the H bond is present between 1 and 4th amino acid. These are all about secondary structure. If we will go through the tertiary structure of protein, this can be of two types. One is domain and another one is motif. What is domain? It is a unit functional structure of protein which can be spontaneously folded. This can be a active functional structure of protein which is known as domain, and it has a specific functional role like myoglobin. Okay, another one is motif. The motif are super secondary structure that attend the functional structure by various kind of folding. Three major type of motifs are present. One is beta, alpha, beta, like here is beta sheet, alpha sheet and beta sheet. One is beta Mender motif, and another is Greek key motif. Thanks for watching. If this is helpful to you, then please subscribe and promote the channel.